Hi, mobile video editing here, and this is the twist reveal effect. There are two variations to this effect. The first variation, which you are seeing right now, uses two video tracks. The second variation, which is simpler and faster, uses one video track, and it looks like this. In this video, I'll cover both variations. First, the one-track variation, and then, applying some changes to it, the two tracks variation. Quick intro, and let's get right to it. We start in LumaFusion already with two tracks. The main track contains a background video of your choice, and the track above contains a title. Let's edit the title for a moment to see how it looks like. For better results, you'll need a bold font. I chose Avenir Next Heavy. Notice that I'm using a green face color and a black edge color. The text is adjusted so there is some space to the left and right of it. You will be animating the twist effect across the text shortly. And you'll need some space on the sides where the effect doesn't change the text. Exit back to the timeline. Clone the title and place it right after the original. Now, edit the original title. For this effect, the text will be changing colors. As you may know, the color of the text in a title can't be changed using keyframes. So here's how to make it happen. Tap on the Colors and Effects tab, select the original color preset, scroll down to the hue setting and move it all the way to the left. Changing the hue setting basically changes the color. Move the time slide so it is at the beginning of the clip as shown. Add a keyframe. Move the time slide so it is at the end of the clip. Now move the hue setting back to the middle so the text shows its original color again. A keyframe will be automatically created. This is how the color animation looks like. Tap on the Colors and Effects tab. Select the twist effect as shown. With the effect centered in the middle of the screen, adjust the settings so just 4 or 5 letters are affected. Move the time slide so it is at the beginning of the clip as shown. Now, move the center of the effect to the right of the text and make sure that the rightmost letters are not twisted. Add a keyframe. Move the time slide so it is at the end of the clip. As you previously did with the right side, now move the center of the effect to the left of the text and make sure that the leftmost letters are not twisted. A keyframe will be automatically created. This is how the combined color and twist animations look like. Select the cropping section. Adjust the cropping left setting as shown. Change the edge softness setting to about 8. Make sure that the time slide is at the beginning of the clip and add a keyframe. Start creating keyframes every 15 frames following the animation of the twist effect. For every keyframe, adjust the left setting so the cropped area covers the edge of the leftmost letter affected by the twist effect. Notice that each letter has its own width, so the pace of the animation will slightly vary for every keyframe added. Follow along with the video. Once you're done, you have the one-track variation of the twist reveal effect. Before we continue with the two tracks variation of this effect, this is how it looks so far. Moving forward, Let's go to the 2 tracks variation of the effect. Go back to the timeline. Edit the clone title you created at the beginning of this video. Change the fore color from green to white and exit back to the timeline. Now clone the original title again. A clone copy will be created in the track just above it, as shown in the video. Edit the original title. Tap on the Colors and Effects tab and remove the twist effect. Remove the original effect as well. Tap on the Title tab. Change the fore color from green to white. At this time, the only animation remaining on this title is the cropping animation that reveals the text from right to left. Exit back to the timeline. This is how it looks so far. This is already a nice effect and you may want to use it as it is. But I would like to take it one step forward. Edit the topmost title. Select the cropping section. One by one, select all the previously created keyframes, and for each one of them, adjust the right setting so the cropped area covers from the edge of the leftmost letter affected by the twist effect to the rightmost letter affected. As mentioned earlier, notice that each letter has its own width, so the pace of the animation will slightly vary for every keyframe added. Once you are done, you have the 2 tracks version of the effect. It will look like this. You're not limited to using this technique just with the twist effect. Here is an example using a different effect. So this is it for this episode. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel, give it a like, and click on the bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.